Hi there, students. A Hoyden. As a noun, it's probably pretty archaic. As an adjective, Hoyden. And even as a verb, to Hoyden as well. Okay, let's see. A Hoyden is a girl who is a tomboy. She's rude, she's uncultured, she's rowdy. She's not very ladylike as defined in the 19th century, perhaps. And then as an adjective, I think you could use it for both sexes. Like a Hoyden, somebody who's high-spirited, boisterous, tomboyish, saucy. So you can no longer carry on your Hoyden nights out, your boisterous nights out. His Hoyden attitude was not well received by the boss. And then as a verb, to Hoyden, he spent all the long weekend Hoydening around. Don't Hoyden around your mum. She's busy now. Okay, so I think this is a rather old-fashioned word. I think this is a word that most people won't know. They're going to ask you what it means. Okay, but Hoyden, high-spirited, boisterous, particularly when it's a girl. I'm sorry, it's another of these sexist words, but language itself is sexist, which means I have to say it as it is. Okay, so a Hoyden, a tomboy, a wild, boisterous girl, and then as an adjective, wild, boisterous, doing all sorts of crazy things. So yeah, when you're a teenager, you are definitely very Hoyden, doing different Hoyden things. So what would I say? Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. As I said, I don't think many people are going to know this one. And as to origin, it probably comes from Middle Dutch, Hoyden, a heathen or a gypsy. In modern Dutch, you have Hoyden, which talks about somebody who's rude, uncultured, very boisterous, messing around, but they're, well, difficult to control, shall we say. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hoyden.